This video shows a step-by-step guide for resource managers and team leads on how to allocate resources to a new resource request. New resource request plans must be submitted for all IT initiatives that are tracked and managed in PPS. Most resource requests will come from project managers or business leads. This guide will cover viewing a new request, viewing your team's capacity, and allocating resources. There are two ways to access a resource request. The first is via an email link. The second is through ServiceNow. Log in via the technician login. In the navigation, type resource and scroll down to requested. Clicking the star on the right-hand side will make this one of your favorites. A list of all your requests awaiting resource allocation will be shown. Select the one you want by clicking on the plan number. You can now see the details. The key information is at the top of the screen. You can see the requested hours, the start date, and the end date of the request. Next, select the Open Resource Viewer link. This will open in a new tab. The Resource Viewer shows all of your team and their availability. For this request, we're going to allocate it to the team member who has the most availability over the period. This is the test user in this example. Note that you could choose to allocate to multiple team members if required. Go back to the Request tab, select the member preference, and then select the team member from the list. After clicking Save, choose Confirm. This will allocate the resource as a soft allocation. This is a temporary allocation and can be used to view the impact of your selection, or for requests which aren't immediate, where you want to keep your options open until closer to the date of the request. You will now see that test user has a soft allocation for these 4 weeks. To make this a hard allocation, go back to the Request tab and select Allocate and Save. Opening the Resource Viewer again, you will see that this is now showing a hard allocation for these 4 weeks. By selecting the Resource Allocations tab at the bottom of the screen, you can see the week-by-week allocation for the resource on this request. To finish, select Save and Exit, which will return you to all your requested resource plans still awaiting allocation.